Leshan Intelligent has over 3 decades of experience in manufacturing blow molding machines. With extensive design and production expertise, we carefully consider customers' requirements for machine selection, understanding their needs for return on investment, cost effectiveness, operability, reliability, stability, and after-sales service. Let me introduce Leshan's groundbreaking electric blow molding machine that pushes technological boundaries. Its innovative design achieves production capacity equivalent to conventional machines, while reducing energy consumption by 30% and occupying only 1/3 of the floor space. The 3OL Sailong electric machine. 6 standout features that truly set it apart. 1. High efficiency. Produces 65 to 90 chemical barrels of 30 liters per hour. 2. Energy saving. 30% to 40% less energy consumption compared to conventional hydraulic machines. 3. Compact design. Requires only 1/3 the floor space of traditional hydraulic machines. 4. Smart control. Numerically controlled adjustments for bottle weight, molds and blow pen positioning. 5. Easy mold change. Externally moving mold clamping frame simplifies mold replacement. 6. Rapid color change. Complete material, color, mold change within 1 hour for any order size. Ready for immediate operation. This patented invention represents the best cost-performance ratio blow molding machine currently available.